Hello, welcome to online lecture of advanced surveying. Today we are learn temporary adjustment of Theodolite. The temporary adjustment is necessary. The temporary adjustment are made at each setup of the instrument before we taking the observation with the instruments. Step involved in adjustment. Setting the theodolite over the station. The tripod stand is placed over the required station. The theodolite is then lifted from the box and fixed on the top of the stand by means of a wing nut or according to the fixing arrangement provided along with the instrument. Approximate leveling by tripod stand. The legs of the tripod stand are placed well apart and firmly fixed on the ground. Then approximate leveling is done using the stand. To do this, two legs are kept firmly fixed on the ground and the third is moved in or out, clockwise or anti-clockwise, so that the bubble is approximately at the center of its run. Centering. Centering is the process of setting the instrument exactly over a station. At the time of the approximate leveling by means of tripod stand, it should be ensured that the plumb bob suspended from hook under the vertical axis line approximately over the station peg. Then, with the help of the shifting head, the centering is done according to that the plumb bob is exactly over the nail of the station peg. Leveling. Before starting the leveling operation, all the foot screws are brought to the center of their run. Then the following procedure is adopted. The plate bubble is placed parallel to any pair of foot screw. By turning both these screws equally inward or outward, the bubble is brought to the center. The plate bubble is turned through 90 degrees so that it is perpendicular to the line joining the first and second foot screw. Then, by turning the third foot screw either clockwise or anti-clockwise, the bubble is brought to the center. Some instrument may have two plate bubble perpendicular to each other. In such case, one bubble is kept parallel to any pair of foot screw. The other plate bubble will automatically to perpendicular to the position of first bubble. Here, the instrument need not to be turned. The first bubble can be brought to the center by turning the first and second foot screw, and the second bubble can be brought to the center by turning the third foot screw. The process is repeated several times so that the bubble remains in the center position of the plate bubble, both directions perpendicular to each other. The instrument is rotated through 360 degrees about its vertical axis. If bubble still remains in a center position, the adjustment of bubble is perfect and vertical axis is truly vertical. Focusing the eyepiece. The eyepiece is focused so that the crosshair can be seen clearly. To do this, the telescope is directed toward the sky or piece of white paper is held in front of the object glass and eyepiece is moved in or out by turning it clockwise or anti-clockwise until crosshair appear distinct and sharp. Focusing the object glass. This is done to bring a sharp image of the object or target in plane of crosshair and eliminate parallax. To do this, the telescope is directed toward the object or target and focusing screw is turned clockwise or anti-clockwise until the image appears clear and sharp and there is no relative movement between the image and crosshair. The absence of relative moment can be verified by moving the eye up and down. Thank you. Thank you very much.